Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is x plus y, this is equal to 6. Let's call this equation 1. Then x times y is equal to 6. Let's call this equation 2. Now, what is the value of x and what is the value of y? Now, let's provide a solution from here. From equation 1, which is x plus y, this is equal to 6. Let's make y to be the subject of the formula. In that case, we'll have y is equal to 6 minus x. Let's call this equation 3. Now, let's substitute equation 3 into equation 2, which is x times y. This is equal to 6. Substituting y here, we'll have x times 6 minus x. This is equal to 6. Now, x times 6, this is 6x. Subtract x times minus x, this is minus x squared. This is equal to 6. So the next step is to take 6 on the left hand side, so that now we have 6x minus x squared minus 6. This is equal to 0. Now let's rearrange this equation so that now, rearranging this equation, we'll have minus x squared plus 6x minus 6. This is equal to 0. Let's divide both signs by minus 1. So we'll have minus x squared divided by minus 1. This is x squared. Then plus 6x divided by minus 1. This is minus 6x. Minus 6 divided by minus 1. This is plus 6. This is equal to 0. Now, this is a quadratic equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c. This is equal to 0. From this quadratic equation, we have that a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 6, and c is equal to 6. So this implies that to solve for x1, x2, we apply the quadratic formula, that's minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c over 2 times a. Now let's substitute the values of a, b, and c from here, so that we have minus 6 plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is minus 6 squared, subtract 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 6, all this divided by 2 times 1. So that the next step from here, it's minus 6, which is 6, plus or minus the square root of negative 6 squared. This is equal to 36, minus 6 times 4, which is 24. So we have here 6 plus or minus the square root of 36 minus 24 divided by 2. So this is equal to 6 plus or minus the square root of 36 minus 24. This is equal to 12. All this divided by 2. So here this implies that we have 6 plus or minus. We can express the square root of 12 as square root of 4 times 3 divided by 2. Now here we have 6 plus or minus the square root of 4 times 3 over 2. So this implies that here this is 6 plus or minus the square root of 4. This is 2. Then square root of 3 over 2. So from here we can factor out 2. 2 is common from here. So we can factor out 2 into the parentheses. This is 3 plus or minus the square root of 3 divided by 2. So this implies that here you simplify so that this is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 3. So we have two values of x here. We have that x1 is equal to 3 plus square root of 3, and we have that x2 is equal to 3 minus square root of 3. So Let's solve for the corresponding values of y from here. So if you recall, we have that equation 3, which is y is equal to 6 minus x. So to solve for y1 from here, we have 6 minus x1. x1 here is 3 plus square root of 3. So this implies that here we have 6 minus 3, which is 3, minus times plus square root of 3. This is minus square root of 3. So this is y1. So this implies that x1, comma y1, this is equal to 3 plus square root of 3, then 3 minus square root of 3. So this is the first set of solution. This is the first set of solution. Let's solve for y2, which is equal to 6 minus x2. So this implies that here we have 6 minus x2 is 3 minus square root of 3. So this is the same thing as 6 minus 3, which is 3, minus times minus square root of 3. This is plus square root of 3. So this implies that x2, comma y2, this is equal to 3 subtract square root of 3, comma y2, which is 3 plus square root of 3. So this is the second set of solutions for this algebra problem. We have two sets of solutions here. So let's verify that these two sets of solutions actually satisfies the equation. Let's verify from here. Now, if you recall from here, we have that x plus y, this is equal to 6. Remember, this is equation 1. And we have that x times y, this is equal to 6. So let's substitute the first set of solutions, that is x1, y1, into equation 1. So x1, equation 1 is x plus y. This is supposed to give us a value of 6. Substituting x1, y1, we'll have 3 plus square root of 3 plus 3 minus square root of 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 6. So here we have 3 plus 3, this is 6. Then square root of 3 minus square root of 3, this simplifies so that 6 is equal to 6. So this implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this implies that x1, y1 satisfies the equation. Now let's check x2, y2 by applying equation 2. We have equation 2 here, x times y is equal to 6. Now let's verify x2, y2 satisfies the equation. Now we're saying that, if you recall here, equation 2 we have x times y, this should give us a value of 6. So let's multiply these two. We have 3 minus square root of 3 multiplied by 3 plus square root of 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 6. Now, if you check here, 3 minus square root of 3, this is in the form of a minus b. And 3 plus square root of 3, this is in the form of a plus b, which we can express as a squared minus b squared. Now, applying this difference of two squares identity, then here we'll have 3 squared minus square root of 3 squared. This is supposed to give us a value of 6. So 3 squared, this is 9, minus square root of 3 squared here, we eliminate the square root sign. So this is 9 minus 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 6. So 9 minus 3, this is equal to 6. which is equal to 6. So this implies that the left add side is equal to the right add side. And this implies that x2, y2 satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. See you in the next video.